So I'm walking through a forest road. It's just like the footpath. So I'm just heading towards the well we called Linda. In Sri Lankan culture and society, we called a well as a Linda. And there are a lot of wells and streams in the river basin, and also the people in the village always like to have the fresh and pure water through these streams. So I'm just closing to this kind of very tiny and fresh water stream. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound of fresh water and birds? Birds are singing in the morning freshen. So now I'm going to show you the well. It's been really cool. You can see the water, crystal clear water. There's some plant around this natural stream, and it has been developed for a long time ago, that can be helped the people when they bath and wash their clothes. So can you feel this sound? Can you feel this fresh water? How cold is that? I can feel that fresh water. So this is what we called linger, and this is a very common place in Sri Lankan village culture. There might be people around this village usually come to this place and have a bath and wash their clothes, since it's very calm and beautiful place. I guess in many cultures, in many countries, there may be more beautiful places. I'll try to show you these places to the Natural Drive YouTube channel. Just subscribe us and keep watching. Thank you very much.